In this video, I want to show you how you can recharge your USDT TRC20 wallet address using Binance. If you are searching for this online, take this video and watch it to the very end so as you learn how to recharge your USDT TRC20 wallet address using Binance. Let's dive into my screen and let me show you this in a few seconds. So guys, to recharge your USDT TRC20 wallet address now using Binance, what you need to do is to come straight to Binance. You can see this is Binance Exchange. So let's assume you want to recharge it on Trust Wallet or you want to recharge it in any other exchange. What you need to do is just to go straight to that exchange first of all, then copy the USDT TRC20 wallet address and then come to this place. So let's do it practical. For the sake of this video, I'll be using Trust Wallet, so which means I'll be recharging my USDT TRC20 wallet address on Trust Wallet using Binance. So go straight to Trust Wallet now. So this is my Trust Wallet. I'm going to open it now. So when it's open, okay, let me use another wallet which I don't have USDT TRC20. This one I already have USDT. Let me use another wallet. So let's assume I'm recharging this. I don't have Tron here. So what I will do here is to come over to this search bar here. Remember what you are recharging is USDT TRC20 wallet. So come to this search bar over here, click on it and then search for USDT. So you're going to see different options. You're going to see different USDT here. So the one you're going to choose here is Tron. This is USDT Theta USDT, and you can see Tron here. You can see other USDTs here. You can see this one is Ethereum, Optimism Ethereum, and you can see other ones. So the one you're going to choose is the one that has Tron here or Theta. So click on it now. It's going to show you like this. So since you want to recharge it here, what you will do is to click on receive. So click on receive now. You see this is USDT TRC20. You can see this TRC20 over here. Remember, this is applicable for those either in US, in Nigeria, or any part of the country. So you can recharge your USDT TRC20 wallet using this method I'm showing you in this video. So what you want to do in this stage now is to click on this copy here. So when you click on it now, you have copied the wallet address. So we'll go back to Binance Exchange now and do this transaction. So since we have copied the wallet address now in Trust Wallet, so what I want to do now is to go back to Binance. So this is Binance Exchange now. So in Binance now, this is home page, this is wallet, this is trade, this is futures, and this is wallet. So what I want to do here is to click on this place which is wallet. So click on this place here. So when you click on it now, since you want to recharge your USDT TRC20 wallet, come to wallet now. This is wallet. I can see we are in overview, so you can only be seeing deposit and buy. So since you want to recharge your USDT TRC20 wallet, come to either spot or funding. So when you click on it now, you will now see withdraw, transfer and deposit. So you are withdrawing from Binance to Trust Wallet. So what you want to do is to click on withdraw. So when you click on withdraw now, it's going to load. Search for USDT. So you see this is Theta US. You click on it. So you're going to see two options. This is send via crypto network, send via email, phone or ID. So the one we are doing is we copy the wallet address. So we are sending via crypto network. We are not sending via email, phone number or ID. So you are going to select this first one over here. So when you select it now, you see this phase now. This is where you are going to paste the wallet address you copied. This is where you are going to choose the network. And this is where you are going to put the amount which you want to recharge. So click on this place now to paste the address. So when you paste the address now, then come to this second column and select the network which you are using to transfer. So remember, you are transferring or you are recharging TRC20 wallet address. Guys, this is where you need to be very careful to avoid losing your funds, because if you choose TRC20 network in the other wallet and you come over here and choose either BEP20, ERO20, any other wallet, you are going to lose that asset. So guys, you must be very careful in this very stage. So the wallet address we copied is a TRC20 wallet address. So we're going to look for TRC20 wallet address in this place now, and you can see it's already been detected. We have Solana and we have TRC20. So the one we copied is TRC20. So you're going to choose Tron TRC20 over here. So just click on it now. You see Tron TRC20 over here. So in Binance now, the minimum withdrawal you can make here is 10 USDT. So the amount you want want to recharge is here. You're going to put the amount. This is where you're going to put the amount you want to recharge in your TRC20 wallet address. So let's assume you want to recharge 1000 USDT now. You're going to put it here. So down here you're going to see the amount you'll be receiving and the network fee. So you'll be receiving 998.8 USDT and network fee is 1.2 USDT. So in case if you want to transfer everything in this place, you can click on maximum. But if you don't want to transfer everything, you can just put the amount you want to transfer to your USDTTRC20 wallet address in Trust Wallet. So when you are done now, what you need to do is just to click on withdraw. So once you click on withdraw now, this asset will automatically be transferred from your Binance wallet to your Trust wallet. So I don't want to withdraw this USDT now. I just did this video for the sake of those searching for how to recharge their USDTTRC20 wallet address using Binance. So this is just the simple steps you are going to take to recharge your USDTTRC20 wallet address. So once you are done now, you can come back to Trust Wallet and refresh. When you refresh, you're going to see that the USDTTRC20 wallet address you recharge from Binance will automatically appear here. So when you recharge, you see the asset which you recharge in this place. So guys, this is just the simple steps in doing this. So it's not hard, and in case if you have any question regarding how to do this, you can click on the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram community, where you have chance to ask any question of your choice or any difficulty you're encountering during the process. You can ask me in the Telegram community and I'll not hesitate to attend to you. So don't forget to like this video, comment and share it to your friends who are searching for this question, so that they will equally watch and learn. So guys, this is the end of this tutorial, and I believe you find value in this video. If you really do, feel free to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel, so as each time I upload some videos like this, YouTube will always get you notified. And in case if you have any question as regard to this, you can join my Telegram community, where I drop awesome updates about crypto trading and how to make money online. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video.